Welcome back, gardeners and plant enthusiasts. Today we're delving into the fascinating world of APHELANDRA DANIA, also known as zebra plant. Join us as we uncover the intriguing history, unique characteristics, and essential care tips for this mesmerizing living organism. The APHELANDRA DANIA, native to the tropical rainforests of Central and South America, boasts a rich history that dates back centuries. Revered for its striking appearance, this plant has earned the nickname zebra plant due to the bold, contrasting stripes on its leaves. Behold the beauty of the zebra plant. With its luscious green foliage adorned with brilliant white stripes, this plant stands out like a work of art in any garden or indoor space. Its elongated, lens-shaped leaves create an impressive display, making it a favorite among plant enthusiasts and collectors alike. Creating the ideal environment for your zebra plant is essential for its prosperity. It thrives in bright, indirect light, mimicking the filtered sunlight found in its natural rainforest habitat. Ensure the soil is well draining and consistently moist but not waterlogged, as these plants are sensitive to overwatering. Enhance the allure of your garden by pairing the zebra plant with other tropical beauties. Consider adding calathea or ferns to create a lush, jungle-inspired oasis that will leave your visitors in awe. Apart from its striking aesthetics, the zebra plant has practical uses as well. In some traditional medicine practices, extracts from its leaves have been used for their purported healing properties. Additionally, its ability to purify the air makes it a valuable asset for improving indoor air quality. There you have it, a captivating glimpse into the world of APHELANDRA DANIA, the enchanting zebra plant. Embrace its rich history, unique features, and the essential care tips needed to nurture this tropical treasure. As we continue our journey through the diverse world of living organisms, stay tuned for more captivating episodes on our channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our gardening and farming explorations. Happy gardening!